everybody. Today we are discussing about the classification in the SC categorization under the leadership of Ajay Saab, and Rajalingam is also my friend. Dr. Saab is also my friend. Several other dignitaries on the dais, and again mana mitrudu kuda unnadu. Andaru ikkada with regarding to subject endante we are discussing about this issue even after judgments rendered by the apex court. ఇది చాలా సహేతుకమైనది. మనం ఎందుకు అంటే even after getting the judgment in favor of the aggrieved party is now ఇంతమందిని గ్యాదర్ చేసి now similar meeting also held at Somajiguda Press Club. This is the situation. Why it is happening ante 57 subcastes which are there in the SC category, they are unable to get the justice. They are apprehending. Their apprehension is clear that whether they are going to get the justice or not, it is in the hands of the government. The government has to implement the order which is rendered by the apex court. That is the reason where they are eagerly agitating and expressing their opinion. They are collecting the opinions of the different castes in support of their categorization. ఇది చాలా ఒక ఎంత విస్తుపోతున్నా నేనే. ఐఎమ్ సర్ప్రైజ్ ఈవెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ గెటింగ్ ది జడ్జ్మెంట్ ఆల్సో. దిస్ ఈస్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్ ప్రివేలింగ్ దిస్ తెలంగాణ అండ్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ఇన్ ఎంటైర్ నేషన్ ఎట్ ఆల్. ఎందుకు వై ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్? నేనైతే యాజ్ పర్ మై కన్సర్న్ యాజ్ ఎ లీగల్ luminary, certainly it is going to be implemented at any cost. Nobody can stop it. This is the only apex court is the supreme authority. Supreme Court has rendered the judgment. No hesitation, no obstacle can be created by the government authorities. Nobody is having guts to face the Supreme Court order. Supreme Court is the higher judiciary. Kabatti manam we should not bother about anybody rukus, whatever may they raise. This is my personal perception on the subject to the categorization of the SCs. ఎందుకంటే very importantly what I observed, Justice who rendered this, one of the judges also ఉన్నది in the part and parcel. They knows very well what is reality in the what is happening, why they are allowed the petition which is being filed by the judgment which is rendered by the Punjab court. And Chinnaya case was also earlier, some influence was taken place, but was struck down by the Supreme Court, same Supreme Court. Later when it came 6 judges in favor of the categorization, 1 is opposed. Okay, that is there. Even then also, I am no hesitation, I am no doubt at all. It is going to be strictly implemented. You people are all educated, enlightened people. There should not be any manaku elanti doubts పెట్టుకోకండి. That is my personal view in this regard. ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే at the same time brotherhood has to be developed among the people. Brotherhood అనేది very important. Even in caste, ఇప్పుడే ఆమె దక్కలి సామాజిక వర్గం ఆమె చెప్పింది, her son got married with యాదవ్ అని చెప్పింది కదా. There are ఉన్నది system is like that. Nobody is coming to rescue the person who are below them. It is situation prevailing, not only here, in the worldwide, in all religions, this is situation prevailing. One community has come up, one person has come up in the family, they never bother about their whole kith and kin. Most of the people who are enjoying the fruits of the constitution, they are not bothering about the situation which is being faced by their own community people in the Telangana. This is situation. Not only Telangana, in the entire nation, situation is like that. The mindset has to be changed. Mind perception towards our own people has to be changed. We should equally treat them. We should, whatever position, One person may become something. My friend is VC. Kumar is my friend, my roommate. Now he has become VC. Earlier is Mr. Ravinder is my brother-in-law. Anything is possible. Certainly everything is possible. Anything is possible. Consistency and persuasion and hard work. Certainly everybody will have opportunity to get the position. My friend Kumar is realistic. He is Madiga community. Vice Chancellor is Madiga. మీరు అందరు ఏదో ఏదో అనుకో, డోంట్ థింక్ అదర్వైజ్. ఇప్పుడే జస్ట్ నౌ ఐ గ్రీటెడ్ హిమ్, ఐ విష్డ్ హిమ్ while entering into these premises. So that my humble request to you all, everybody must feel that confidence is more important. We should also honor with the others. We should feel respect. We should also have the every right to enjoy the constitutional fruits. We should also let the others who are unable to get the fruits, we should also let the others to enjoy the same fruits. That is my humble request. Thank you one and all for giving this opportunity.